Hellcat.
Hey everyone, this is Teacher Harpreet and I'm back with another video on making fitness fun at home. As we all know, we are practicing yoga, and for today's activity we will be doing Sun Salutation, which is also called Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a great warm-up. It is a set of various yoga poses which stretches our entire body. It exercises almost every muscle of our body and activates our internal organs. Practicing Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation regularly will help you to increase your flexibility, your concentration and focus. Most importantly, it will keep us healthy. So let's get started. Sun Salutation, also known as Surya Namaskar. Stand straight, keep your feet together, arms by the side of your body. Now breathe in and bring your palms in front and join them together in a Namaskar pose. Now breathe in and stretch your arms up and gently arch back. Breathe out and slowly bend your body forward till your palms touch the floor. If you can't get your palms down on the floor, maybe you can just touch the mat with your fingertips. You need to bend your knees slightly to get your palms down on the floor. Now breathe in and take your right leg back on your toes and rest your knee on the floor. Now breathe out and bring your left leg behind and do the downward facing dog pose. Breathe out and slowly keep the knees down. Bring your chest between your hands and rest your chin on the mat. Breathe in and lift your upper body. Stretch your arms and look up and do a Cobra pose. Again, go back to downward facing dog pose. Then and bring your right leg forward between your hands and look up. Bring your left leg also forward. Breathe out and keep your palms on the floor. Now breathe in and slowly raise your body. Stretch your arms up and gently arch back. Inhale and join your hands and come to the Namaskar pose. Now repeat the whole set with your left leg. So that's all about Surya Namaskar and Sun Salutation. I hope you have enjoyed doing this set of yoga poses. You can perform it regularly as your warm-up, maybe 3 to 5 times before you start your activity. See you in the next activity. Till then, keep rocking. See you when you see me back. Bye-bye.